So I want us to build a very, very, very quick landing page with Lovable, like in like 2 seconds or 2 minutes. Can we do it? Let's go. And I'm not sponsored by them. I just want to show you how fast it is to build a website with AI. Cool. Build a landing page for my web design brand. My colors are 66. Okay, hashtag 66. B2B2 FEDS, sorry. FEDC 56. Yeah. And hashtag BP 00. How quickly AI can do this stuff. Don't worry, you guys are watching this with me on the go, and it's crazy. And if you want to know if AI can actually have all the ups and downs of building the websites with AI, this is the perfect video for you. Like, I kid you not, this is the perfect video for you. But let's go. It's taking time. It's taking approximately 1 minute. You're seeing it with me because I'm sharing this screen, so you're seeing how much of a pain in the it is. But let's see this. Let's go. Also, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Quick now. Oh, and this is Lovable, right? Lovable is one of the web design tools that are there. So, hmm. And they can actually track analytics if you want it. We are all waiting for this thing to get out. Like we're waiting it, we're watching it, watching. We want to see if it's gonna work. Okay. Play without asking again. Um, yeah. It's taking time. It's taking time. But no matter the time it takes, it's still faster, right? I do not, to be very clear, I do not support building a website with AI because I feel that AI cannot think like humans. No matter how well it replicates it, it's not going to think. It's probably going to take me way long to build a website with Lovable than to build it by myself, knowing exactly what the client wants, going to Photoshop and doing what we want. And don't forget to always, if you want to learn AI, don't forget to hit us up on pythondesigns.org/AI too. Well, yeah, I guess. Yay, we're done. Have you built it? Preview late. Not bad. What do you guys think? We'll be able to come up with a website like this. On another note, I'm gonna show you what my actual website looks like. PDW. So you see for yourself. This is the perfect demo I want to show you. This is what Lovable came up with. One hand. Well, it's not bad. It's not bad. This is good. Oh, this is really good. This is giving me this is giving me a run for my money. Oh my god. Oh my god. But this is what our own website looks like. And you guys, I need to tell me which one is better. Is it the one that we have built with our hand? And if you guys pick AI on you guys, if you people pick AI websites, we're gonna quarrel. Let me just tell you, we're gonna quarrel. But this is the one that AI built. Oh God, please, when this is the one that AI built, and let me scroll down. Transform your digital projects. Well, view our work. Should you see what I was talking about? See exactly what I was talking about. This all over is not going to work. So it's probably going to take me a lot more time to tweak it and make it change. I don't know what to do best. Hey, chai, my really Jesus. And then, but you can see the buttons are not working particularly. It will still take some more tweaks to make it work. But my head, whoa, ready to get started. Email us, call us. Damn, I'm in trouble. Just tell me that he built a blog page. I would just okay, didn't award winning design studio. Oh, of course, soon we're gonna be award winning. But yeah, Damn, oh boy. So this is what AI was able to come up with, and this is our actual website, Python Design Studio. So tell me who won. Don't forget to subscribe, and I guess I will see you. Inside, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going to sleep. This is unfair. This is unfair. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. This is bad market. I'm out.